Hi, this is Pradeep. I am the director of this animation short film produced by my School of Computer Graphics Training Division. The key objective behind making this project is to train the students of government school for hearing handicap. I mean to say people who cannot talk, who cannot listen anything, and of course unfortunately they don't know English. Last year we conducted some 3 months vocational training program for these students. At the time itself we understood their creative capabilities and grasping abilities. So we just felt like why don't we try out something with these kids. The best part of this short film is this is a short film completely planned and made by students, and even storyboards, character designs, everything is drawn by these deaf and dumb students. Being a director, I just gave a story, I just gave some breakups. So the main part is to communicate with them in order to make them productive to plan this short film on their own. Though it is a difficult task at the beginning, we believe that we can make some small wonder out of these little hearts. When we consider the complexity of the task, there are 2 major challenges to accomplish. First is to train these people who cannot understand our normal mode of communication. So either we need to learn their sign language, or we need to express everything in their mother tongue Telugu with the help of Blackboard. Another challenge we took in producing this film is to make 2D animations with these students based on a background song sung by another school students. But the problem is these hearing handicapped students can't even understand the subtitles written on the screen or anything in English. So we need to translate everything. We need to make them to understand the timing of the scene or shot, whatever, and accordingly they need to animate, and we need to retime. So a lot of such technical things need to be planned before starting a shot. We initiated our first step by showing reference 2D movies from internet. But the problem is in this particular 2D animation technology or whatever, the technical terms, whatever we use here to communicate are not available in local languages. That is one problem. And another problem is it's really tough to learn whole sign language for these guys, particularly when our deadline is around 6 weeks. But fortunately these students are very sharp, so that they can understand some part of lip movements and some part of expressions very well. Another limitation in this area is we don't have proper dubbing theaters, we don't have technology, we don't have facilities to work with. So instead of thinking about what we don't have, we simply made the project in a very low budget without any hi-fi technology. So being remote area, it's very tough to move the systems or move the people to some other place to record, to do something good, but we had to compromise on something. So we just wanted to compromise on infrastructure and facility related things which are not available, instead of compromising on quality of the short film. Also we had very less time to execute this project, so every minute is important to us. And before starting the character designs and animation principles and etc., 2D digital stuff, we taught them the basic level of sketching, perspectives and anatomy principles, etc. Here are few scan samples tried by the students. First of all, there should not be any communication gap for this project, so we started trying out some sign language, and even our dress style, everything is actually simplified at that time, just to maintain rapport with the students and just to maintain good relation with those students, just to mingle with them. And we used to play with them, we used to eat with them, we used to interact maximum time with them, we were very careful in one thing, like they should never consider us as outsiders or some superior people, so we should be like friends to them. So even our dress sense is reduced, our language, our body language, everything is simplified. And our main intention is to help them to come up with their own concepts, their own creativity, their own animations. It may be taken from references or it may be on their own. So we encourage them to discuss about the project. And here is the hero of the project, Mr. Vijay. He is a very good student of us, and he got national award in 4th Elite National Level Animation Competition organized by India Book of Records last year. He is the mentor for these students right now. Basically, Vijay is a character animation student, and it's my part to train him in such a way that he will understand each and every part of the communication made by those students in order to extract the best out of them. It is really difficult to the students in the initial stages to understand the perfect anatomy or to build some own characters on their own. We gave n number of reference images, maximum number of reference images from the net, and we made them to draw each and everything. We took Flash as our platform. After we explained the essential basics of Flash, then we explained the concepts of strokes, fills, layers, many things. Within 1 or 2 days, they started building their own characters. They started drawing their props by seeing some images and by not seeing some images. It's a good progress by that time. Not only related to the concept, but we made them to draw things in general. We could not deliver the concept in such a way that they can understand very well in the initial days itself. It takes time. The very next step is to make characters for the short film by them. So we started explaining each and every step, and the result was better than expected.